Hey everyone, it's Travis McGee here with Nadex again. Just after the noon hour, we've got about 15 minutes to step outside right now as we have halted the markets. We hit that 7% circuit breaker to the downside, so thought I would get some fresh air and step out of self-isolation for a moment. Just want to fill everybody in on what the markets have done thus far today. Again, been a crazy morning across the board. Start off with the U.S. indices. So again, we just triggered that 7% circuit breaker to the downside. So markets are halted for 15 minutes. As we talked about yesterday, in this case, when the markets halt during the trading day, the impacted markets, so U.S. indices, whether it's the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow, so on and so forth, markets are halted right now. So there's nothing going on in those markets. And impacted markets on Nadex will be halted as well, as there's no indicative to price those off of. So just beware that's going to be the case. By the time this video is posted, we'll be out of that trading halt and we'll be up live again. But the next circuit breaker would be 13% to the downside. So that's what's going on in the equity markets. Again, the impact there coming on the back of, we had President Trump just gave a press announcement, didn't provide much detail with regards to the stimulus package that's coming out of Congress, which I think has investors spooked. You're also getting some concerns of those who are watching what's going on in the Treasury market, and there is an absolute flight to cash right now, and you're seeing that. So you're seeing massive markets in the 10-year. Last night we went from 77 basis points in the 10-year to 1.13 over the night, which is a massive move, absolutely violent move in the 10-year Treasury. You're also seeing it in the currencies right now, where the dollar is continuing to drive higher. Take note, if you look at the pound dollar today, this morning we broke 119 in the pound dollar. I think right now we're about 115. I could be wrong. I haven't, I'm away from the computer right now, but we haven't been below 119 in quite some time. So a massive move in the pound dollar. The commodity markets, you have oil, which is absolutely getting decimated right now, down 18% down last time I looked in the oil market. So crazy market going on right now in oil. And then if you look at what is going on in the gold market, we're down about 2.5% in gold. So a lot going on. Still got a VIX sitting at 80, which again, as we talked about the other day, that's an implied daily move of about 5% in the market. So everybody, again, as I've mentioned the past couple times, this is a headline-driven market, so keep your eye on what's going on, what's being said. These markets can pivot at any point in time. A lot of trading opportunities, obviously, on Nadex, but again, stay tuned with what's going on from a headline standpoint. We'll be checking back in with you. We're going to keep these mediums updated, whether it's on social media, videos like this, as well as email. We'll keep you in tune as more news starts to hit the wire. Okay? Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.